Hey guys, this is my website. This is the home page. When you scroll down, you will see I have the title for class exploring your digital portfolio. And on the bottom, I have some links for students who want to become a police officer. This link says it's learn how to become a police officer, how to become a police officer, and what you should know before becoming a police officer. When you click on a link, it opens you up to the website. It tells you all the things you need to know about becoming a police officer, their salaries, all that kind of stuff. Then if you click on the tab About Me, it will bring you to my name and just tell you a little bit about my college experience, my college career, and where I want to take my learning after I graduate. I have a picture of a canine dog just because that's what I want to do when I graduate from Stockton. I discussed why I want to be in the canine unit. And I have a link right here that brings me to the link from the beginning of our semester of our Two Truths and a Lie. The link on the top that says blogs brings me to all of my blogs that I have created throughout the semester. Each hyperlink brings me to my blogger. And then I also have this little slideshow going on with all of the things that I have in my blogs and all of the cartoons I've created. This is all on my blogs. If you hit Smackdowns, this is going to show you the definition of a Smackdown, and these are my Smackdowns I have included with little phrases about what they are. Then if you click on VoiceThread, it brings me to my social media etiquette tab, which brings me right to my Blogger account, which brings to my YouTube account. If you click on Contact, this is where you're going to find my email address right here, my LinkedIn account with a hyperlink to go right to it. Then I have a map of Stockton, and I have a survey, and it says, would you be interested in becoming a police officer? And people could submit it, and I'll get an email for it. And this is my website.